Calculate the mass percentage of benzene and carbon tetrachloride if 22 gram of benzene is dissolved in 120 gram of carbon tetrachloride. If you know this equation, then this question is very easy. Mass percentage of the component is equal to mass of the component by total mass into 100 percentage. Okay, let us calculate. Here, what is the total mass? Total mass means mass of the benzene plus mass of carbon tetrachloride, which means 22 plus 122, right? That is 144 gram. Now for benzene, we can find the mass percentage. Mass percentage is what? Mass percentage is mass of the component, which means 22, by total mass, that is 144, into 100. On calculating, you will be getting 15.28 percentage. Now regarding carbon tetrachloride, same mass percentage. There are two methods. Either you can subtract 15.28 from 100, or you can directly calculate. Okay, direct calculation is like this: 122 by 144 into 100, and you will be getting like 84.72 percentage. Same value you will be getting by subtracting this value from 100, as total percentage is 100, right? Okay, so these are the answers.